Good morning, friends and respected teachers. My name is Dhumale Avinash. I am from Government Polytechnic Hingoli, studying in final year mechanical engineering, and our project name is the pneumatic pick and place robotic arm. And my group members are Sachin Gyar, Mudal Divya, Mudal Sandhya, and the guided by Mr. Gedam sir. This is the abstract of the project. In this project, we operated robotic arm by pneumatic power. The industry is moving from current status of automation and robotization to increase productivity and delivery information quality, but cost of operation of such industry has been increased and also affect the environment by utilization of conventional energy. In this project, we minimizing operation cost and protect the environment by utilization of non-conventional energy. This is the overall index of this project and including all information in this contents. First is the introduction of this project, and second one is the scope of this project, third one is the methodology, fourth one is the construction and the working of this project, fifth one is the list of material used in this project, sixth one is the applications of this project, and seventh one is the advantages, eighth one is the project making, and ninth one is the structure of project. And this is the overall introduction about the pneumatic pick and place robotic arm. The atomization is playing important role to save human effort in most of the regular and frequently carried work. One of major and most commonly performed work is picking and placing of the job from source to destination. The pick and place robotic arm is the pick the object from source location and place at desired location. The robotic is made up of two sections, the bottom section and the top section. The most of industry job like welding, painting, assembling, container filling, etc. The most commonly works is picking and placing of the job from the destination. Next is the scope of project. It is the very useful in the future. The large scale production and implementation in industry can be done, and the overall production of the Indian industry and consequently the entire economy can be done with the proper design and fabrication. Next is the methodology. This is the methodology of for this project. Gripper will be created and attached to robot as method to move things from one place to another place according to given input. The design and development of pick and place robotic arm consists of four main parts which are pneumatic piston, cylinder, flow control valve. Third one is the direction control valve and compressor. The compressor is the heart of the project, and each part will be designed stage by stage. In this project, direction control valve and flow control valve means FC valve are used to control the movement of the robotic arm. While constructing robotic arm, we will wooden boards or metal scrap from building its fundamental based structure. The various pneumatic cylinders are arranged in order to achieve specific movement. Gripper will also follow the instruction given. All the elements are combined together to develop robotic arm. All these parts developed and analyzed to get better result. This is the construction and the working of the project. It is the consist of the pneumatic cylinders. Pneumatic cylinders are worked by compressed air, and the next is the direction control valve. Direction control valve to control the direction of the actuator or it control the fluid flow. In this the valve one lever to other lever and flow the fluid. Next is the flow control valve to regulate the flow rate in the special proportion or control the speed of actuator. Next is the PU tube and PU type connector. It is the overall construction of the project and the working of this project. And this is the compressed air passes through. When the compressed air passes through the reservoir, and the reservoir high passes high pressure air to direction control valve through the PU tube. From direction control valve, compressed air passes through the flow control valve, and flow control valve control the speed of actuator. Then goes the actuators, and it's perform the task. It is the overall the working of this pneumatic pick and place robotic arm. And the next is the list of the material used in this project. Material list is the given below in this given is in the slide. First is the pneumatic double acting cylinder, quantity 2 and size is the 20 into 150 mm stroke. Next is the pneumatic double acting cylinder, size is the 20 into 100 mm stroke, quantity is 1. Hand lever valve 5/2, quantity is 3. PU tube 4 into 6 mm, 8 quantity. PU tube 8 meter, size is the 4 into 6 mm. Fifth one is the push type flow control valve, quantity 6. Push type PU tube, push type flow control valve, push type connector 9, push type T 6 mm, quantity 2. And these project of applications of this project: defense applications, industrial applications, material handlings, robot applications. These are widely used in atomization industries. Defense applications, it can be used for defuse the bombs, their safety, and this is the very useful in the defense applications. Industrial applications, next is the advantages of this project. They are faster and can get the work done in seconds compared to their human compartment. Work at any kind conditions, increase the work accuracy and productivity. Most case removed manpower. They increase the safety of the working environment, and the actual never get tried. It is the project making related images. It is the in workshop images. This is the structure of this project. Before the making project, we are build up the structure of the project, then build up the project. Conclusion: after the completing the project, pick and place robotic arm by pneumatic control, we know that our project can pick object like bottle, bricks and box like weight is not greater than 4 kg. Working on this project right from point of the selection to testing of project, we real fun and great experience. The experience provided as lot of insight into the various pneumatic system, the selection of appropriate material from different components, and make our busy description escapely and designing this project. We studied how to use control pneumatic system in various industries. Seeing the project in working successfully, we are happy and satisfied. Thank you so much, sir.